What's up everybody? My name's Mitchell and this is my M3. Alright, many of you have probably seen this car in the wrap. It's pretty recognizable. I've had it on the car for about 10 months and I did it for last year's rally season. So far it's been on 3 rallies, and as you can see, it's taking its toll. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the wrap, just take the car back to white for now. So Patrick Star is gonna get a little bit of a break. Thanks for all the rides, buddy. Okay, so we're gonna call it quits. Our fingers are about to fall off.
I'm dying. Here's our bag of goodies. It's crazy to think the entire surface area of your car fits into this trash bag, but...
Yeah, so we'll get the rest of it probably tomorrow. All right, day 2 of the wrap removal. Yesterday we got pretty much everything done. There's just a little bit left around the bottom. We're definitely gonna have to take the taillights out. There's just no way to get to this without pulling them out. So we backed the car outside to get a little bit of sunlight to help us take the sides.
Scared the crap out of me. I like jumped.
So we backed the car outside to get a little bit of sunlight to help us take the side skirts off, and we had to open the doors up all the way.
How my thumb's doing. But she's almost done.
This is awful. If you ever decide to wrap your car, pay somebody to take it off, please, because
don't decide to do it at all.
yeah, this is the worst thing ever. I think we made an executive decision to take the front bumper off because it is literally just coming off in chunks, and it had to get repainted anyway, and the paint's coming up with it, so we're just gonna take off the whole front bumper and take it to the paint shop and deal with it there. Just to explain why the paint on the front bumper is peeling, this isn't an OEM front bumper, and when I got it, I just needed it painted really quick. So I found some place that did it super cheap, and I don't even think they put a clear coat on it. You know, don't get scared. Everywhere else on the OEM paint that we pulled the wrap off, there were no issues at all. So a wrap in general is not gonna mess up your paint unless it's just a really bad paint job. All right, bumper's off. Send that off to the paint shop and let them deal with the rest of the wrap. And other than the window stickers and getting Patrick off the hood, unwrapping is complete. Alright guys, that'll do it for today's video. A big thank you to Zach from Twin Line Garage for helping me take this wrap off. If you found my channel some way other than through his channel, his link will be down in the description below so you can check him out. I got more videos on the way, and thanks for watching.